This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened your document, now act. If you're in Word or PowerPoint, go straight to the Design tab. Once there, choose Page Color in Word or Format Background in PowerPoint. You're doing this to change the document's canvas rather than the app interface. Make sure the document is saved and editable, otherwise changes won't stick. If you need a uniform look across files, keep this file as the master you'll convert into a template later. Once you open Page Color or Format Background, pick a theme color for instant consistency with headings and shapes. If you need a brand hue, click More Colors and enter RGB or HEX numbers to match exact specs. For subtle depth, choose Fill Effects to add gradients, textures, or an image tile. Make sure to apply to the entire document or slide. In PowerPoint, choose Apply to All. These choices change readability and print behavior, so test contrast with text before continuing. Finish by saving the file or saving as a template so your background becomes reusable. If you meant the Office app interface, go to File, Account, then pick Office Theme to change the application background. Once done, close and reopen a file to confirm the visual persists. If the color won't apply, make sure the file is not in compatibility mode and you have edit rights. Also check if Simple View or Protected View is blocking changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.